Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Friday, December 27th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here and talk to you about making money with postcards and how you can mail postcards and make some money fast if you decide to put in the work, okay? So I'm just going to start this by putting in my earnings disclaimer and let you know that I cannot guarantee you're going to make any money with the opportunities that I'm involved with because it's strictly based on your work ethic. And like I say in all my videos, if you show up and treat this like a business, you'll get business pay. If you treat it like a hobby, you'll get hobby pay. And if you do what most people do, who join these opportunities and take zero action, you'll get zero results, okay? So you just have to have that mindset going into this that the action takers are the money makers, all right? You have to commit to these programs when you sign up. You can't just join an opportunity and then, a month down the road, give up because you haven't made $10,000 and move on to the next opportunity. Some people join new opportunities every day. You have to, it took me a long time. I've been doing this a long time now. But when I really started making money and I was able to go and work for myself back in 2018, it's when I committed to having one opportunity that I worked at until I built up a nice residual monthly income. And once you do that, then you can go on to another opportunity or, have multiple streams of income. I'm a huge believer in multiple streams of income. All right, the richest people in the world have multiple streams of income, 6 to 7 on average. All right, so I'm all about multiple streams of income. And with that being said, it does not get any easier making money online or having a work from home opportunity where you're mailing out postcards. All right, I have 2 postcard opportunities. These are the postcards right here. All right, if you can mail out a postcard, you can make this opportunity work. It's as simple as putting a peel and stick address label and a stamp on a postcard and taking it down to your post office. And it just amazes me how many people I hear all the time where they're broke, they don't have money for this, they can't afford this, and yet I see them take zero action to better themselves. You don't have to join my programs. It doesn't matter what opportunity you're in. The point of this is that going into 2025, if you're broke or you're tired of being in the same financial situation that you're in, take massive action in 2025 and make a change. You deserve it to yourself. You deserve it. Your family deserves it. Don't just settle. Most people just settle. They got the job, just over broke. They hate going to it. They dread Sundays. They work for Friday afternoons. And then they want to, sit around and watch football and get drunk on the weekends. That's their highlight of the week. And then they're back into the same, 9 to 5 mess. You don't have to do that, right? And there's nothing wrong with watching football or even having a few drinks. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm just saying that people get into these routines and they just accept where they are in life instead of bettering themselves. And the people that, it's just unbelievable to me how many people write to me and ask me if these programs really work, I show proof payments all the time. I wouldn't be doing them if they didn't work. I don't like to waste my time, and I certainly don't want to waste other people's time. But if you can mail out a postcard, you can make these opportunities work if you stay consistent, all right? You have to mail out postcards every week. You have to share this opportunity with other people. And if you can do that, then you can make this work, okay? You can go to joinruss.com. This is my website that takes you over to my Linktree page. And you can see the 2 postcard opportunities that I'm involved with. Now, you do have to live in the United States, Puerto Rico, or the Virgin Islands to partake in these opportunities. I do have a global opportunity if you live somewhere else and want to work with me. But yeah, it doesn't get any easier than mailing out postcards, folks. 2 postcards. It does not get any easier. All right, and these are lead generation postcards. We're in the lead generation business. So anybody that is looking for ways to supplement or replace their income, or somebody who is looking, is already in an MLM opportunity or an affiliate program and they need leads, these postcards work great, because that's what you're getting when you join these opportunities. You're getting leads, all right? And these are opportunity-seeking leads. So these are people who are looking for ways to make money from home. So it's a win-win all around. You just have to take action, all right? So the best thing I ever did as far as business goes was to commit to taking action and staying committed to, an opportunity that works for me. These opportunities work for me. There's no need for me to go and look at other opportunities. Are there better opportunities out there? Possibly. Are there easier opportunities? I don't think so. Mailing postcards is about as easy as it gets. And you don't have to be on conference calls or 3-hour phone calls with your upline. It's very, very, very simple. So if you want to change your life, then take action and commit to it in 2025. You deserve it, okay? So with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.